Here is a step-by-step tutorial for Amazon affiliate marketing for Instagram. Hello and welcome everyone. And when I say step by step, I mean I will show you pretty much everything that you will need to do. I may not show you exactly how to do it because this would take a lot of time and a lot of things, a lot of details. I can't really hold your hand through the entire way, but I will show you exactly what this needs from you, what you are expected to do, and the process from start to finish and how it works, and pretty much just everything that you need to know. So let's actually just jump into the video and get started. So the first thing that you will need is, you will need an Instagram account, and preferably you would, or it will be preferable if you have a lot of following. So if you have like a lot of followers and stuff, it's going to be much easier for you. If not, this does not mean it's not going to work. It's just going to be a lot harder on you, and you will need to work on yourself much more than the person who has more followers. I guess this is just basic knowledge. So you have an Instagram account and you have a bunch of followers, okay? And if not, still follow the same things. It's just you will need to gain more followers, but it still applies to you. So this is something that you need. The second thing that you will need is obviously your Amazon Associates account. And if you don't know what that is, this is basically the Amazon's version of affiliate marketing. They call it Associates. So to create one, you just go ahead and go to Amazon, or just go to Google, type in Amazon Associates, and you should find the first thing that pops up. This is .ae because I am located in the United Arab Emirates, but this could be different to you. Just go for the first one that you see that is not an ad. So this is an ad, we don't want that. This is not an ad actually, this is just .com. I will just go for .ae because I am in it. So it doesn't really matter, just go on whatever one you want to go on. So just go to your Amazon Associates and just click on sign up. And this is basically going to be the initial step to actually creating an account. Once you click on sign up, I know it didn't show for me here, but they will ask you to sign in with your Amazon account, your regular Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can just simply create one. And in here, you should just first read these instructions and end up, filling out these information. I'm not going to fill out everything in here because, this is going to be completely for you, like your information and stuff. The only thing that I will show you is that for website, when they ask you for your website, you don't really need a blog or something like that. You can just enter your Instagram website, or your Instagram's URL. It's very simple. It's just instagram.com and then slash your Instagram ID or name, basically. So it's very simple. So your Insta name. Okay, so this you insert on website, okay? And then you just complete the rest of the account creation stuff. Afterwards, they will just let you know that the form has been submitted, and now they will take a few days to actually accept or decline your form or your request, basically. And yes, they can actually decline your form. And if that happens to you, do not worry. This does not mean it's the end for you. It could be plenty of reasons. It could be, you don't really have enough followers. Your Instagram doesn't really have good quality content, or things like that. So you'll need to work on your Instagram a little bit more and just have it more high quality and a little bit refined. And after a while, apply again for free, and hopefully they will accept you. But most of the time, they will accept you the first time, okay? So it usually takes like 3 days to maybe 1 week, and you should be accepted. So this is going to be the first actual step, getting accepted. And once you get accepted, this is where you will need to, or even before that, this is where you will need to do the following steps. Now I have a notepad here, which should have pretty much everything that you need to know, steps and a lot of best practices to get you started. And then at the end, I will show you actually a step-by-step summary of pretty much everything that you need to do if you feel lost. So just stick with me, and I trust me, everything will be clear for you. Okay. So the first thing, this is best practices. This is not the step by step. The step by step is going to be at the end. So these are best practices that you should start implementing to your Instagram account. This is just going to help you a lot to stand out from the rest and just, be an actual, like a good person for Amazon associates, that they will consider like get you accepting you very much faster. Okay. So first, choosing a niche. You don't want to be random with your stuff. You will need to go ahead and find what you are interested in, a specific niche, and that you have maybe expertise on. This is not necessary, but at least have interest in, because you will be doing this for a long time. And just, try to build your audience around this niche. You want your audience to actually have some sort of connection with this niche. Okay, so just select a specific niche and work on that. So if you don't know what a niche is, basically it's a category. So maybe like culinary items, maybe just focus on that, and so on. So the second thing is going to be switching or creating a business account. If you like the account that you're using and you want to switch it to a business account, you can do so, or you can just right away create a business account from scratch. It's up to you. If you already have an account and you want to switch it, it's very simple. You just go to your Instagram on your phone, go to settings, and then privacy, and then account type, settings, privacy, account type, and tools, and then switch to professional account. And this is going to help you with tracking your insights and analytics with your audience. Okay, so the third one is going to be optimizing your bio. Here, because you're now an affiliate marketer, I guess, you'll need to make that kind of clear, and also have call to action stuff. So try to drive your like people that are following you through your bio to your affiliate links, maybe some sort of discounts, that kind of stuff. Try to have a more optimized bio. You don't want to just keep the old one that says your birthday and stuff. Okay. So number 4 is going to be content strategy. You need to develop a content strategy. This is basically going to be how you want to promote your product. Is it going to be unboxing? Is it going to be like videos, maybe photos? How do you want it to be? You need to be unique, but at the same time, you will need to be natural and authentic to gain the people's trust, and also be, just standing out from the crowd. So you'll need to have a content strategy on how you are planning to promote your products. So number 5 is going to be using stories and highlights to actually have the affiliate links in. Now you've got plenty of options here, like polls, quizzes, swipe up links if you have over 10K, by the way, to just, like it says here, drive traffic to your affiliate links. This is very important, because stories do end up actually, you get a lot of clicks through stories to your affiliate links. So yeah, this is very good. So keep this as a regular thing within your Instagram, and it also helps you get more traffic. 6 is engage with your audience. Here is going to be you building your relationship with your audience and followers. You don't want to seem like a bot. You actually want to engage with them, respond to comments and DMs, and just, talk to your followers as if, you know them, instead of just, you're just some sort of a freak that just, sells stuff without having any feelings and stuff. So you just need to engage with your audience to build that kind of trust. Now, number 7 is using hashtags and captions. This is going to be using them without going overboard and spamming tags unprofessionally. Because look, you don't want it to be, again, seeming like you are desperate for it. Just use relevant hashtags, and you can research this and see the other, content creators that are doing the same thing with the same kind of niche and see the hashtags that they are using. I'm not saying copy them, just take a look and work your way through it. So this is going to be a lot of experiments here. So you're not just going to start and be successful right away. This takes a lot of time. So number 8 here is disclose your affiliate relationship. You will need to be transparent about it and let your audience know that you are doing this specific thing, which is affiliate marketing. And once you actually have a link, you will need to state that it is a affiliate link, because you need to stick with the guidelines. So make sure you're transparent about it. You're not hiding it, and you should be good to go. Number 9 is going to be track your performance. This is very basic and common knowledge. You will need to see how you're doing. So it's pretty much valuable feedback, which is going to tell you what to do next, whether you should continue or change specific things. Okay. Now, number 10 is experiment and adapt. It's pretty much the same thing, but you will see, you will need to take a step back from things and see how the strategy is playing out. And try out new things sometimes. Not only just, seeing how successful people are doing, try to actually developing your own experiments and try to see how that goes without being too crazy with it. And see how that goes, and maybe it actually hits and you become more successful. So number 11, which is most important thing, is the quality of the products you are promoting. They should be very good. They shouldn't be just any junk that you find online and just you want to promote it. Try to promote the things that you would actually buy yourself, basically. Promote the things that you like so that your followers gain more trust for you and respect you more, which will end up in your favor. And, you will get more followers this way. So let's actually go to the summary and talk step by step, like how to actually get to all of this points right here. So first, you need to create an Instagram account and have it as a professional or business account. It's going to help you a lot. Second is building up your audience. And this could be in many different ways. Just socialize with them and engage with them, and you will eventually build up your audience. But still, you can start with few audience. You don't really need to have that very high number to get started. Don't think this way. It's fine, but the more you have, the better. So try to build your audience more and more. Next, develop a content strategy. I think I talked about this. Like, how are you going to promote it? Is it going to be unboxing? Is it going to be reviews, tutorials, lifestyle shots, that kind of stuff? You need to have a strategy on how you want to go about things with your own set of terms, basically. Next up, like I said at the beginning of the video, is applying to Amazon Associates and get approved. Next, generate affiliate links, which is going to be within these Amazon Associates. After you get approved, you just search for the products that you want to promote, and then you will get your unique affiliate link, which you can just simply copy and just paste on, story posts on your Instagram and all of those things. Promote products on Instagram, like I said, and track performance, comply with guidelines, and optimize and iterate. And then this is pretty much it. So this is step by step, like how this is going to work with also details on how you should go about things. Okay. So lastly, I say here, remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, a lot of time and dedication. So you will need to stay consistent and provide value to your audience. Remember, good quality stuff and content and products, and continuously optimize your strategy based on performance data and feedback. And then you should be good to go. So I wish you the best of luck out there, and I hope that you benefited from this video, and thanks for watching.